Hi family, you're welcome or welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, you're welcome. Do you all know that it is only a healthy scalp that can be able to give rise to healthy hair that grows from your follicle? The answer is yes. So that is why in today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you all a recipe that will keep your scalp healthy and help you grow healthy hair from your follicle. And I did that recipe using the African black soap. So I made a shampoo using the African black soap. Please do well to watch to the end of the video so you don't miss out on anything. But before we start, I would like you all to please do me a favor by giving this video a thumbs up. Please give me a thumbs up because it will help me greatly with the YouTube algorithm. So thank you all for doing that. So let's get started. So the first thing I'll be needing is my African black soap. African black soap can be gotten, they also call it oshedudu. You can find it in Ghana and also here in Nigeria. They use coconut and also plantain bark to make this with a mixture of shea butter. That's what they use to make this black soap. And black soap has a lot of benefits for our hair and also for the skin. African black soap is very effective when it comes to cleansing the scalp. It also leaves the perfect environment for follicle cells to grow hair. It's also an excellent cleanser to use for the hair, and it also stimulates blood flow to the scalp, which in turn does what? Promotes hair growth. And aside that too, it also helps to treat conditions such as eczema and also itchy scalp. So after adding hot water to my black soap, I allowed it to melt, and then it has melted. Now I'm going to be adding other ingredients like REETHA. REETHA helps to control hair fall by removing dandruff from the scalp. And according to Ayurveda, dandruff is the prime cause of hair fall. Then I'm also going to be adding my shikakai powder, which is also very amazing as well. When you have an unhealthy dry scalp, shikakai is very effective because shikakai cleanses your scalp. And then I'm going to be adding cinnamon. I added 1 tablespoonful of both the REETHA, so that is the soap notes, the shikakai, and also our cinnamon. Cinnamon helps to stimulate blood circulation to the scalp. It also encourages hair growth and reduce hair loss. It also has an antifungal property which might help treat dandruff. And the last powder I just added is my fenugreek powder. You all know that I love fenugreek a lot because fenugreek creates a healthy environment for our hair to grow, and it contains speed and quercetin, which are which makes fenugreek a powerhouse. If you have not watched my video on ways you can make use of fenugreek for healthy hair growth, please do well to watch this video. I'm going to link it up so you watch it. So fenugreek is very beneficial for the hair and our scalp, and it also serves as a very good detangler for this shampoo as well. So what I usually do is this: I like to put my shampoo, put the mixtures now in water, put it in a pot rather, and then I'm going to be boiling it on low heat like so. Keep stirring it for 20 minutes. Why am I boiling it? I'm actually boiling it so that it will thicken this African black soap. It will thicken it. So after boiling it, put it down and leave it for 24 hours. You will see it's going to get thickened on its own. Just look at it. Just look at that. They go to the thickness. Just look. I didn't add any guar or whatever. This one is natural thickening of this soap. Can't you see the soap? Oh my goodness. So here I'm going to be adding tea tree essential oil. As you know, tea tree essential oil contains anti-inflammatory and antifungal properties which helps treat scalp issues and also stimulate blood flow to the scalp. And then rosemary oil. Rosemary oil acts as what? Topical minoxidil, which helps to block DHT and also helps in it's natural. Rosemary is natural and it also helps to block DHT production and stimulate blood flow to the scalp for hair growth. So then I stirred everything now like so, and I added my apple cider vinegar. I added the apple cider vinegar in order to do what? To checkmate what? Because of pH. So apple cider vinegar will help bring down the pH of our African black soap so that it will not be too harsh on our hair. So after adding the African black soap, I stirred everything together, and then our black soap is ready. So let me quickly talk more about the benefit of REETHA. According to Ayurveda, you can see the foamy nature. According to Ayurveda, dandruff is the prime cause of hair fall. So it is a condition marked by flakes of dry skin on the scalp. So what Reetha does is that Reetha powder helps to control dandruff and promote hair growth due to the Tridosha balancing property. And then for shikakai cleanses your scalp gently and induces sebum secretion, which helps to reverse the dryness of your scalp. So you can see that even using this, it will not dry your scalp. So shikakai also helps to reduce the itchiness and inflammation of your scalp, thus helping your scalp to do what? To heal. So you see that this African black soap contains amazing Ayurvedic herbs or Ayurvedic properties like REETHA, shikakai, fenugreek as well, and then cinnamon. So please guys, if you are still watching to this extent, please do well to give this video a thumbs up if you are yet to do that, and do well to subscribe to join the family. Also press the bell button so you don't miss out on any of my video. So my hair has been washed clean now. I've shampooed my hair already. I've washed my hair. You can see how my scalp is looking very neat, very clean. You all need to try this African black soap shampoo. It will definitely grow your hair and help you grow a healthy hair from your follicle, because it will give you a clean scalp. So I've styled my hair like so, and here I'm just applying my DHT blocking oil now on my hair, as you can see, like so. I'll also create a link for you to go and watch the video of how I made that oil. So please guys, let me know in the comment section if you've ever tried African black soap. Did you use it on its own, or did you add Ayurvedic goodness to it? So this soap is like African Ayurvedic mixture of soap, of shampoo. So thank you guys so much for all the love and support always. Please do well to try this African black soap shampoo or Ayurvedic with Ayurvedic touch. Try it, and definitely it will cleanse your scalp, and it will exfoliate your scalp and help you grow a healthy hair. It will stimulate blood flow to your scalp. Please guys, thank you all so much for watching my video. Till we meet again, stay blessed, stay fabulous, and also stay safe always. So, and do not forget to follow me on my other social media handle. On my Instagram, please follow me at AfroLicious I also share healthy tips, hair tips there, so you can follow me as well. Let's be friends on that platform as well. Please do well to share this video with your friends and family. So let me know your thoughts on this African black soap shampoo. Thank you guys.